Alright, I just attempted to start it. These are the codes. Screen showed that for a second. Stop safely now. Park aid fault. Service vehicle soon. Check headlamp system manual, okay. Stop safely now. And if we leave it for a minute, it should complain about cross traffic blind spot warning. If I try dismissing some of these. Interesting, it shows electric driving. That's not happened before. Accelerator pedal does nothing. Depressing the brake is making a funny sound. I don't know if the video will catch that. Okay. Let's see what codes we got.